Now that we have all contacts in and organized, the next step is learning how to use them. The easiest way to start using our contacts on our Mac is from the Call row. From here, you can quickly FaceTime by video or audio, or you can call directly from your Mac. You'll also notice that by hovering your mouse over the contact fields, you'll see some icons appear. For example, when you hover your mouse over the phone number field, you'll see a message and call button, so you can quickly send them a message with the app Messages, or you can call them directly from your Mac using FaceTime. You'll find the same with other fields, such as the email. Another way is to click on the contact field title. You'll see that when you hover your mouse over the contact field title, it highlights gray. And if you click on it, it gives you a drop down of some items you can do with the contact field. Such as if you click on the email address title field, you'll get the option to send an email with Mail or send a message with Messages and more. Same with a phone number. You can call, send messages, or you can choose Show in Large Type so that it's easy to see when manually typing on a phone. Feel free to experiment with the different types of contact field types, and you'll find each field does something different, such as an address can be viewed in Maps app, get directions, tweet to the contact's Twitter username, and more. You'll also find that now that we have these contacts in, they can be used in other apps on our Mac as well. For example, inside of Apple Mail, we can easily email contacts just by typing their name, and it will auto-pull results from the Contacts app. You can also click this plus button to show a mini contacts browser as well. You'll find integrations like this across many of the other apps on your Mac, such as send event invites and calendar, sending text with Messages, using FaceTime, and more. Thanks for learning with the app Contacts with us today. We hope you now feel comfortable being able to organize all your contacts and use them throughout your Mac. Be sure to check out our full course titled Contacts to go even deeper with this app and learn about smart groups, sharing contacts, syncing contacts with other services such as Google, Yahoo, and others, as well as advanced integrations. Thanks for learning with Learn to Mac.